Hello everybody, my name is Surendra Sharma. Today I have recorded a video for Sitecore Hackathon 2026. My team name is SRS and I have selected a category Best Tool Supporting Sitecore Development. So for this I have developed a tool called Sitecore Security Checker, and here is the use case. So for example, you are working on a Sitecore project and you have done the development. Now you want to deploy it and you want to set up the maybe a production environment or maybe a staging environment, pre-prod environment. And on this one, now you have to set up the entire infra and you are already done with that. Then at last, maybe a client IT team or their security team or maybe a network team asks you this question that have you implemented all the best practices that are suggested by the Sitecore? Have you followed their security guideline? So on this Sitecore documentation portal, we have all these tasks are listed here from the security point of view. For example, have you disabled the administrative tools? Did you disable the client RSS feeds? Have you enabled the HTTPS for core roles? So there are more than 24 the tasks are listed here, and we have to go there and we have to implement it. So this is a very time consuming. The error possibility is also can be there, because if you miss one of the point, then that is easily ignored by the people. And one more thing, if you are, let's suppose you have implemented it on the development environment, then you have to spend the same amount of time when you are going to set up the staging or pre-prod or production environment. So every time scaling is the problem here. So for that, to solve it, I have created a single application tool where it will go there and it will solve all those tasks for us. It will check all these tasks whether those are implemented or not. If it is not implemented, it will highlight it into the color mode. So here these are the tasks that I have implemented it as a part of this security check here. So for this, I have developed a Windows application, and within this Windows application, I have just used the plain .NET application. It's a Win application, so you don't need to install anything apart from the .NET. Yeah, everything is it's already there. So here is the tool for it. So let me open it. So this is the tool. Here you have to provide your Sitecore endpoint of the CM environment. Then you have to provide your username, password, and this is the here you have to provide the location of your where you have installed the Sitecore setup. I mean, where are your web.config file and application configuration file, and then you click on the scan. So it will go to this path. It will check this URL, and then based on that, it will check. All right, have you implemented the administrative password? Did you disabled it? So if you have done this task, then it will show you as a implemented in a green color. If it's this task is pending, then it will show you as a not implemented. Beside this one, you will get a small hint here that what this task mean. That, for example, this change the administrative password. So here it will say that, okay, change the admin password to a strong or unique, the unique characters that you have to select it here. For example, disable SQL server access from XSLT. So it say that you have to remove it, the SQL access in the XSLT. If you double click on any of the tasks, for example, I double click on it. So what it will do, it will open the actual documentation where these steps are mentioned there. And apart from that, if you want, you can export this entire result into the HTML format. For example, I go there, I click on this export HTML. So this entire grid or this entire report is it will ask us to save it in my local machine. So yeah, uh, let me save it. And once this is done, then we can go there and we can open that particular HTML report. So this is the report that it's going to be show it to us, which we can share it with our client or we can share it with our other team members here. Apart from that, you can also export it into the Excel format as well, into the CSV format, if you want to add it, or if you want to create the report with some other information, that also you can do it very easily here. So this is very a tool, a single click tool, which will help you to check all the security guidelines that have suggested by the Sitecore. So this is my tool for the Sitecore Hackathon 2026. I hope it will be useful for the community and people are going to be like it. So here is the you can say the CSV formatted report into the into, so there are almost 26 tasks that are it have checked, and it also see that it also saw that that whether it's implemented or not implemented. So this is the tool that I have developed it for today's hackathon. So that's it for this time. We'll see you next time. Thank you.